Okay, folks, welcome to another episode of the New Millennials Daily. Today is just random shots from the drone. Some have been taken more recent than others, but I'm putting it all together for you today because today I'm worried about audio. Got microphones, got some good equipment, but I am no gifted sound engineer. Any sound quality from me is hard fought for and probably a little bit lucky. But I'm trying to narrow down what's working and what isn't working. So today I am testing the lapel mic, which should be recorded on the left channel, and also my pencil condenser on the right-hand side. I'm recording because I want to know what comes out best on different speakers. Different microphones for different speakers from different target audiences who listen on different kinds of devices. Are you listening to this on a mono phone? Do you have a stereo tablet? Will you be listening on headphones, or will you have a sound bar? And how to kind of optimize one soundtrack to be impressive and sound good and pleasing in all manner of devices.
What are the base safeties? How much should we equalize? Where do we place the microphone? Which microphones do we use? In which conditions? And how to optimize sound? This is no easy science. This is one based on experience and knowledge of the equipment that you have happened to have and have the opportunity to use.